Have you ever noticed that as the years go by, you pay closer attention to your heart, your blood pressure, even your digestion, but you may not give the same care to one part of your body that deserves just as much attention? I am talking about your penis. Many men over 50 assume that if they are not in pain, there is nothing to take care of. But the truth is, neglecting proper care can slowly erode your performance, your confidence, and even your overall health. The good news is that there is a simple routine, something I call essential penis care, that every man over 50 can follow. It does not take hours of your time. It does not require expensive products, and it is not complicated. But it can make a world of difference in how you feel, how you function, and how confident you are in your own body. Stay with me until the end of this video, because I am going to walk you through each step of this routine. And by the time we are finished, you will know exactly how to protect your health, your intimacy, and your confidence. Let us begin with the foundation, circulation. Healthy blood flow is the lifeline of performance, and after 50, circulation naturally begins to slow. Without attention, that slowdown can leave you struggling with firmness, stamina, and even sensitivity. Daily movement, even something as simple as a brisk walk, keeps the blood vessels supplying your penis flexible and strong. Think of it like watering a garden. If the flow is steady, the plants thrive. If the flow dries up, everything begins to weaken. Adding movement to your day is the first step in this care routine, because your penis cannot function well if your circulation is neglected. Now, let us talk about hygiene. Too many men think of hygiene as something basic and unimportant, but in truth, it plays a major role in long-term penile health. Gentle, daily cleaning with warm water, making sure to wash around and under the foreskin if you are uncircumcised, reduces the buildup of bacteria and prevents irritation. Poor hygiene can lead not only to odor and infections, but also to inflammation that makes intimacy uncomfortable. When you treat hygiene as a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, you are protecting both your health and your confidence. The third step is hydration, something most men overlook. Just like your skin becomes drier and less elastic with age, the tissues of your penis can also lose flexibility if you are chronically dehydrated. This affects comfort, sensitivity, and even your ability to stay firm. Drinking enough water each day is not just good for your kidneys or your heart. It directly supports the smooth function of your sexual organs. If you want your body to perform for you, you must give it the hydration it needs. Nutrition is another pillar of care. The foods you eat either support blood flow or restrict it. Diets high in processed fats, sugars, and salt can harden the arteries and reduce the very circulation your penis relies on. On the other hand, a diet rich in leafy greens, fatty fish, nuts, seeds, and berries gives your body the nutrients that keep blood vessels healthy and hormones balanced. Every bite is either fueling your vitality or slowing it down. This is why nutrition belongs at the center of your penis care routine. Now, let us move to rest and recovery. After 50, your body requires deeper rest to replenish testosterone and repair tissues. Poor sleep is one of the hidden enemies of performance because it robs your body of the very hormones that fuel desire and firmness. Making sleep a priority is not a luxury. It is a medical necessity for your sexual health. Think of sleep as the quiet stage where your body resets itself so that by morning you are ready to function fully again. Stress management is also crucial. When you live under constant stress, your body produces high levels of cortisol, a hormone that directly interferes with testosterone and circulation. Stress can shrink your desire, weaken your erections, and make intimacy feel more like a chore than a pleasure. Simple practices like meditation, breathing exercises, or even setting aside quiet time each day help reduce cortisol and bring balance back to your system. Lower stress means stronger performance and a healthier prostate. The next step in the routine is checking in with your prostate. Many men over 50 do not realize how connected the prostate and penis are. An enlarged or irritated prostate can press on the urethra and interfere with both urinary function and sexual performance. Regular medical checkups, screenings, and open conversations with your doctor are part of essential penis care. Preventive care is not about fear. It is about protecting your ability to enjoy life fully without surprises or setbacks. Let us also talk about safe intimacy. Using protection when needed, being mindful of lubricants, and approaching intimacy with patience all contribute to long-term health. As you age, tissues are more delicate and may need a little extra care. Using lubrication during intimacy or self-pleasure reduces strain and protects against small injuries that could become bigger problems if ignored. Safe, comfortable intimacy is not just about preventing disease. It is about ensuring that your experiences remain enjoyable and pain-free. Finally, let us talk about awareness. The most powerful tool you have is your ability to notice changes in your own body. Pay attention to shifts in firmness, sensitivity, or comfort. Watch for any new pain, swelling, or difficulty with urination. These are not signs to ignore. They are signals your body is asking for attention. Addressing small issues early is always easier and more effective than waiting until they become major problems. So, what does the essential penis care routine look like for men over 50? It is about circulation, hygiene, hydration, nutrition, rest, stress management, prostate health, safe intimacy, and awareness. Together, these steps form a complete routine that protects not just your penis, but your energy, your confidence, and your quality of life. I want you to remember this. Caring for your penis is not vanity. It is not something to be embarrassed about. It is a vital part of taking care of your health as a whole man. When you give this part of your body the attention it deserves, it rewards you with strength, comfort, and confidence, no matter your age. I am Dr. Charlotte Hayes, and I thank you for spending this time with me. If you found this conversation helpful, subscribe to the channel for more trusted practical advice on men's health after 50. Take care of your body because you only get one and it deserves your respect.